yours. Did she bring the school bus?
And the school bus. What do you want to say to Ryan?
Thank you.
See, it has little stickers on the table. What a great idea.
Let's look at the card.
Okay.
Okay, read it.
It says, Sarah, happy 4th birthday, love Grandma and Grandpa. And look, it has Minnie Mouse and you can color it.
Yeah. And now we have something with present.
Let's see what they
Whoa! Wow! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
Who is that?
It's a James that goes by itself.
It is a James that goes by itself. You're right.
Yeah. Oh, that was the whole one.
I'll tell you what, you open that one while I get James out of the box.
It's
Okay?
a James that goes by itself. Daddy.
Is it?
What's this?
Are you happy about that?
Yeah. What's this?
Oh, do you want to say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Look in the camera and say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Whoa, another one. Another train.
That was from Grandma Oro.
Ooh, it's a Thomas that goes by itself.
Yeah, Thomas that goes all by itself.
Yeah. Woo, and a James and a James.
Look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma Oro, for Thomas.
Thank you, Grandma Oreo, for Thomas.
Look, Annie Clarabelle on over there. Okay, Ryan, here you go. Oh, can you pull them all up the hill?
I want to turn it off.
Okay, just push the button again. No, yeah, just push that top button and do it. There it goes.
I'm going to pop it by myself.
Okay. What did you tell me?
Thank you.
There it goes.
Here it comes.
Catch up to him.
My train is carrying passengers
It is. Where are the passengers going?
around the train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Like this way, chugga, chugga. Hill up, hill up, hill up, hill up, hill up, hill up, What's that?
Yeah, let's see what it is. Can you see what it is? Now walk around to this side of it. What is that? What is it though? Look, what is that? Is that a guitar? Oh, and Norma got you a guitar. You should be hugging her, not me. What do you want to say to her?
Thank you. Mommy, hey, you're going.
Yeah.
It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry.
Wow. What does the kitty think of the present?
Oh.
Abby, what do you think of the present?
But how does this hook up?
Yeah, you got another present. You know what it is?
It's a camera.
It is a camera, and you know what? It really works. It really takes pictures. You're welcome, honey. It really takes pictures and everything.
I will open it.
Okay, let's see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get a hug?
And on this one.
How old are you?
4.
What day is today?
Birthday.
That's right. How old were you yesterday?
3.
And now you're...
4.